Hello, have you heard that you can make money on the internet without investments and using your phone? I found out about this a few months ago and did not believe it. My friends said that the site pays, and I decided to try to make money with the site. After all, they said that the project does not take any payments for withdrawing funds, and also for earning cryptocurrency gram. You earn yourself the opportunities on the site. I have already earned 500 grams and transferred them to my wallet, and I'm very happy. I earned them for several months, and now I'm very glad that I can tell you about this cool way of making money using your phone. This is a very cool project. I recommended it now to all my friends, and now I show them a video that the project really paid me. It's true, the project pays.